Next up, Espionage for Black Mouse. This is the final mission for Tier 2. And basically, you need to travel to and enter the Sattiq Poppy Farmhouse, then loot the target's laptop, deliver the laptop to the dumpster dead drop near the train tracks northeast of Sammam Cemetery, which we've had to do for previous missions here, and finally, plant the hacked laptop back in the Sattiq Farmer House where it was taken from. So if you haven't already got a Sattiq Poppy Farmhouse key, heading across to White Lotus, Robin Hood over here gives you the key that you need, so just make sure you finish this mission. So after you have the key, simply drop into a game and we can continue from there. There will be quite a bit of driving, so make sure you have a friend with you. Otherwise, just make sure you know the back routes so you don't get shot at while traveling. We'll be traveling to the Poppy Farmhouse, then from it to a dead drop, and all the way back from the dead drop to said Poppy Farmhouse. There is a lot of driving involved, and absolutely do make sure you have a vehicle. So where exactly is the Sattiq Poppy Farmer House? Well, zooming into the Sattiq Cave Complex on the west here, just off to the northwest of it, over here, you'll find this little circle of buildings. It's a little eye-shaped circle. Then over here where this contract is, it's actually this building here that we need to get into. So the left one at the top of this little eye shape. That's where we need to head. Obviously, wherever you are, you'll need to head to the closest vehicle. Usually it's a good idea to make sure it's a semi-closed vehicle, like an LTV preferably. As you will be traveling around a lot, you want some good armor against bots. There is a gas station near the dead drop, so we can refuel and repair halfway through the mission, but that is of course assuming you make it there. We go navigating across to the building here. You should be able to see this small building next to this larger one. This is the one that we need to head into. So unlocking the door and looking to the left, we should find the laptop. This is the politician's laptop we need to take to the dead drop, put in, but do not close the dead drop. That will completely ruin the mission. Sweet. Okay, having looted everything, let's get out of here. And with our remaining fuel, back to the dead drop. Now, of course, if you've done previous missions, you'll know exactly where this is. Otherwise, zooming in on the map, on the south side here by Sammam Cemetery, off to the northeast, is a gas station. I'll ping this as we need to head pretty much here, northeast of Sammam Cemetery. Zooming in, the dead drop is somewhere around this building here, around the south side. Of course, being an LTV, it's pretty much bulletproof, which is great, especially for driving through these pretty populated areas. Usually there'll be a few bots around the place that we're going to get to, the dead drop, so do make sure you have some extra plates and some ammo, especially if there's a HVT nearby. Okay, so approaching the cemetery's gas station here, I'll hop out somewhere around the back here, and we can run into the village. So once again to this big building, off to the right here, you can see the dead drop. Accessing it and putting the laptop in, but not closing it, you can see hacked laptop. We need to take this out, back into our inventory, and then close the dumpster. It may take a second, it may take a bit longer. Just wait until you hear the voice cue saying, hey, we've hacked the laptop, wada wada, and then pick it up. We'll take it back now. So now we need to head exactly back to the Sattiq Poppy Farmhouse, which once again is up here by the Sattiq Cave Complex, right up here. So for now, I'll just mark that contract and head back there. Now, you may think we need to drop the laptop in the corner, but instead you just need to hit F pretty much anywhere in this room, and the laptop will then be used to finish off the mission. Super simple to do, but of course it is quite a pain having to run around the entire map. Anyways, that's how to complete Espionage for Black Mouse. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!